guys, David from Sunshine Acres. Another unboxing day. Today we're doing a remote control mower. I've never seen the mower. I haven't even been sent any pictures, only other pictures, not what's inside this crate. Full disclosure, I have been sent this mower at a very discounted price for some real world testing while I was talking to Cartiwell, buying the mini excavator. We got talking about where I live and what life is like here in Australia, and I've shared some photos of the farm, and they've gone, wow, you need a mower, we'd like you to test it. So I wouldn't say this is a paid promotion, but I have definitely been given a mower at a very cheap price. So I hope you enjoy the unboxing, and we're going to get stuck right into this machine. So without too much more fluff, let's get it unboxed. The grind is heaps easier for these brackets than trying to pull all the nails out. Unloading this from out of the back of the ute was quite a mission. So there's another video on how I got it out of the ute. It is a 350 kilo machine. I don't have a forklift here, so we kind of just dragged it out. Okay, that's ready to go. You can be the first to. You can literally see this as I do it for the first time. 1, 2, 3, what have we got? Look at that. What a weapon. And we've got a nice little toolbox here. I'm told this is a Yanmar engine. I couldn't find much information on it. It's got a pull start as well as a battery start, I hope. What do we get in the toolbox here? Look at that, we've got a belt, some kind of a tool kit, some spare blades, so that's really great. An oil filter or some sort of filter, funnel I mean. And this here is a charging station. I don't know what that's for. Let's put that over to the side here. And I think the thing we're all waiting to see is the remote control. Looks interesting. Comes with a strap, so you can strap it on and just hold it around your waist while you operate it. And a USB cord. There she is, she's quite a beast. We've got our diesel motor here. Oh, fuck ya. Anyway, hope that was fun for you. We have some kind of an air filter. It's quite a beefy air filter. Check that out a bit later. I might need 2 hands for this. Yes, it definitely looks like I need to use 2 hands. There's our electric drive motors. There's our big alternator. It is a little corroded. It did sit in the warehouse for quite some time while I organise shipping. There's our little flail at the front. I suppose what we really need to do is get it out of there. Let's see if we can start it up. Let's see if we can start it up and get it out. It's a beefy looking alternator. I'm guessing this is some kind of decompression. What do we got here? Bit of a throttle. Be nice if there were some instructions, but I guess we will work that out later. Well, that's pretty impressive. Those nails are in so well that it actually broke the plywood instead. Down. There's our flails. They look pretty deadly. The belt's there on the side. The tracks look pretty heavy duty. I really like the tracks. The rollers are on the outside of the guides. I think that's a better track design than some of the mini skids. I wonder how we get it started. I wonder what the process is. Absolutely no instructions, so that's the unboxing video, guys, and I'm gonna take a little walk and come back and have a crack at getting it going. Hope you've enjoyed that. $317 kilos. It's a YM 195 engine. It says it's 4 kilometers an hour.